Dear engineers, greetings from ELEATION. My name is Apoorv Bapat. On behalf of Team ELEATION, thank you very much for showing interest in ELEATION's training internship placement program. In this video, I am going to cover who we are, what is CAE, why to learn CAE software, about ELEATION's training internship placement program, why to join ELEATION's training internship placement program, complete process of ELEATION's training internship placement program. ELEATION Group has two verticals, ELEATION Services Private Limited, ELEATION Simulation Academy. ELEATION Services Private Limited was started in November 2015. We have our office in Pune, Maharashtra. ELEATION Services, we perform CAE, CFD, MBD, FEM simulation for 600 plus companies from automobile, civil, marine and aerospace domain. With best-in-class simulation technology, we have completed 1300 plus industrial projects in crash, optimization, CFD, MBD, structural, etc. ELEATION Simulation Academy was started in December 2015. We provide training in ANSYS and HyperWorks software. We have trained 11,000 plus engineers. We have conducted 400 plus in-house training programs in 320 colleges across India. ELEATION has conducted 90 plus faculty development programs. ELEATION provides CAE training to 400 plus companies every year. With India's #1 training content, we are leading training institute in India. Now let's understand what is CAE. Computer aided engineering is the broad usage of computer software to aid in engineering analysis tasks. It includes finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, multi-body dynamics and optimization. Now I will cover difference between CAD and CAE. CAD is about creating or generating 3D model. CAE is about testing its characteristics, material, strength, life using engineering method. Let's understand the difference with an example. This is an image of actual bridge. Virtual representation of actual component is called as CAD. A CAE engineer uses CAD model and generate nodes and elements which are called as meshing, and then a CAE engineer apply loads and constraints on the mesh model which is called as loading condition. Then it solves to get the values of stresses and deformation which is called as results. The advantage of CAE is that you can predict the behavior of any component without actually manufacturing the same in less duration of time on different loading conditions. Now we will understand why to learn CAE software. As you all know that there are thousands of parts and products in every domain. So all these parts, products, assemblies are upgrading as per market requirement. Maximum parts and assemblies, components, products come with guarantee or warranty. So for any part, component, product manufacturer to give a guarantee and warranty, first the manufacturer should know what load this part can take, for how much duration this component will survive. If in case the component fails, what is the failure location, which material is best suitable for this component, and many more. To answer these questions, companies have only three ways: analytical, numerical, experimental. This is also called as design validation. Analytical method is a classical formula-based method. Numerical method is software-based approach, and experimental method is physical testing approach. Analytical method gives 100% accurate results on simple component. You will get results only if the formula is available. It is very time consuming. Accuracy can't be believed blindly. Calculations are only done on single points. In numerical methods, all the real life complicated problems can be solved. Results can be achieved faster. Results can be achieved on complete component, applicable even if the physical prototype is not available. In experimental method, physical and manufacturing errors can be considered. It gives more accurate result, but it is very time consuming and needs expensive setup. It is applicable only if the physical prototype is available. Minimum 3 to 5 prototypes must be tested. So, because of the disadvantages of analytical and experimental methods, more than 3,500 companies uses numerical methods to validate its design. That means more than 3,500 companies uses CAE software for design validation. In ELEATION's training internship placement program, you will get complete training on ELEATION's ANSYS Basic to Professional Training Program, Industrial Internship Project on CAE, ELEATION's ANSYS Basic to Professional Training Certificate, Internship Letter, Letter of Recommendation, Experience Letter, Free License Version Software, Placement at ELEATION. The registration fees for ELEATION's training internship placement program is INR 1000. In ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training program, you will learn theory of FEM and CAE, 1D geometry creation, editing and meshing, 2D geometry creation, editing and meshing, 3D geometry creation, editing and meshing, static analysis, transient analysis, modal analysis, thermal analysis, nonlinear analysis, dynamic analysis, contact analysis, vibration analysis, computational fluid dynamics, fatigue analysis, and many more. All the students of ELEATION's training internship placement program will get individual industrial internship project on CAE. All the students of ELEATION training internship placement program will get training certificate, internship letter, letter of recommendation, and experience letter. Now I will cover why to join ELEATION's training internship placement program. If you join any institute, then you have to invest travel time and travel cost addition to the training fees. As ELEATION training internship placement program is an online program, so there is no travel time and travel cost. Most of the CAE training institute covers 1D, 2D, 3D meshing, static thermal modal analysis, charging from 5,000 to 20,000 and more, whereas in ELEATION's Basic to Professional Training program, you will learn 1D, 2D, 3D meshing, static analysis, thermal modal transient fatigue analysis, composite CFD dynamic analysis, topology optimization, contact analysis, non-linear and many more, just paying 1,000 rupees. After the training, in any CAE institute you won't get any industrial exposure, whereas in ELEATION's training internship placement program, all the students will get individual industrial projects on CAE to understand industrial working process. Once the training is completed, and in case you need some revision on any particular topic, then there is no provision for that. But in ELEATION's training internship placement program, if you want to take any revision, then the complete training material will be available for you for the lifetime. You can revise any topic as and when you want. Now I will explain the complete process of ELEATION training internship placement program. You have to open a student registration link shared by training and placement officer. So training and placement officer will share a link with you along with a college code. So you have to open that link. Once you open that link, a student registration page will open. You have to enter the college code, your name, contact number, email ID, college name, degree, year, branch and semester, and click on register. As soon as you click on register, you will receive a mail from hr@eleation.com containing login link, login username and login password. You have to open the mail, click on login link. Once you click on login link, a login page will open. Enter the username and password mentioned in the mail and click on submit. Once you click on submit, then a student dashboard will open. On student dashboard left hand side, you can view your name, email ID, contact number, test start time and date, test end date and time. On the right hand side, complete process button will open a new page containing step-by-step process of ELEATION's training internship placement program. Pre-placement talk button will open a YouTube video which explains the complete process of ELEATION's training internship placement program. Test link button will only get activated on the date and time of the test assigned by your training and placement officer. On the date of test, you have to log in using the login link, username and password to give the test. The test contains 50 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking. Questions are from general aptitude, strength of material, general engineering subject. The test duration is 60 minutes. Once the test time is over, the student dashboard will get updated. Once you click on view score button, it will pop up a message in which you can view the total score out of 100. View result buttons will open a new page in which you can view the questions, correct answers and the answered mark by you. The students scoring 80 or more marks or top 5 students will see start learning button, and all the other students who have given the ELEATION internship test will see a pay now button. The students who are able to see a pay now button click on the pay now button and they have to pay 750 rupees to start their training internship placement program. Based on their marks, they have received 25% scholarship, that is 25% off on the registration fees. This off is only valid for 3 days from the day of the test. So let's assume you have given the test on 25th July, then till 20th July you will get an off on the registration fees. All the students scoring 80 or more marks or top 5 students can directly click on start learning button to start the training internship placement program, as they got 100% scholarship. Once you click on start learning button, a new page will open, which is ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training Program class page. On this page, you will find the first session as Theory of CAE. Click on play button to watch the video in which we have explained the theory of CAE topic. Once you click on classwork button, on a new window, a PDF will open containing the theory of CAE content explained in the video. You can also download the PDF. Then after watching the first session video and reading the PDF, click on session 1 test. It will open 5 multiple choice questions. Answer all the questions, click on submit to go to the next session. There are total 65 sessions in which we have covered the complete content. Course content button will open a new page which explain what topic is covered in which session. Total score button will open a new page which contains score of individual sessions. You can give retest to increase your each session score. Once you complete all 65 sessions, then click on training certificate button to download ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training Certificate. Once you complete all 65 sessions, then click on internship project button. Once you click on internship project button, then a zip or RAR file will download which contains a CAD model and a problem statement in PDF format. Please note that you can use this project as your final year project and your internship project. As soon as you click on internship project button and download the project, then the same button will convert into internship test. Then you have to click on internship test button which contains 20 multiple choice questions. Once you get the internship test, then the same button get converted into download letter button. You have to click on download letter button to download internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. Please note that there is no course duration. Whenever you complete 65 classes, you will get certificate. Whenever you complete the internship project, you will get internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. So it depends on individual. You can watch 5 classes daily and complete the training in 13 days, or else you can watch 1 class daily and complete the training in 65 days. You can complete the project and give the test on the same day, or else you can take 2 months to complete the project and give the test after 2 months. The duration mentioned in the certificate will be 60 days and the duration mentioned in the internship letter will be 3 months. The date on the training certificate, internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter will be the date on which you are downloading those letters. So, ELEATION's training internship placement program start with student registration on ELEATION's internship portal. After that, you will give online internship test. All the students scoring 80 or more marks or top 5 students can start ELEATION's training internship placement program for free, and all the other students after paying 750 rupees can start ELEATION's training internship placement program. After that, all the students will do online training on ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training Program, complete online industrial internship on CAE. After that, we will conduct the placement process first round for all the 4th year students on 22nd and 23rd February 2020. Placement process second round will be conducted on 7th and 8th March 2020, and placement process third round will be conducted on 14th March 2020. We will release the offer letter along with joining date on 15th March 2020. Now, I will explain the placement process. ELEATION placement process first round is an online technical test which we will conduct on 22nd and 23rd Feb 2020. There will be total 50 multiple choice question. Total test mark is 100. Questions will be from theory covered in ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training Program, NSYS Software, Strength of Material, Basic Mechanics and FEM and FEA subject. To clear the first round, you have to score 80 or more marks. ELEATION placement process second round is a technical interview. All the students scoring 80 or more marks are qualified for the technical interview. Technical interview will be telephonic. We will call all the qualified students on 7th and 8th March 2020. We will ask 6 questions from theory covered in ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training Program and NSYS Software. To clear the second round, students have to give correct answers of 4 or more questions. ELEATION placement process third round is a tool test. All the students qualifying this second round are eligible for third round. In this round, we will share a CAD model along with the problem statement in PDF format. Students have to perform the analysis mentioned in the problem statement, create a presentation and submit the presentation to hr@eleation.com. All the students clearing the third round will get offer letter along with the joining date and the process on 15 March 2020. Now I will explain ELEATION's job description, roles and responsibilities. We are hiring for the position of CAE project engineer. The CTC for this position is INR 3.8 lakhs per annum. Job location is Pune. Job timing is Monday to Friday 10 AM to 6 PM. CAE project engineer has to perform analysis on CAE project at ELEATION's Pune office. CAE project engineer has to give presentation on analysis performed by him or her to ELEATION's client. ELEATION project engineer has to work on new product development department of ELEATION clients. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would like to end this video with a quote that engineers create future only if they can predict it and are prepared for it. So keep learning new technologies to achieve the goal. If you need any updates from us, feel free to contact us via hr@eleation.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.